Today we are going to discuss about the interrelationship between anthropology and other discipline. So in this topic we will study about relationship between anthropology and social science, psychology or behavioral science, life science, medical science, earth science and history. So this topic is important for the understanding of how anthropology is different from sociology, economics, political science, psychology, life science, medical science, earth science and history, right? So when you will be study that topic, then we will capable to understand how anthropology is different from sociology, different from economics, different from political science, different from psychology, different from medical science, different from earth science and different from history. And we also capable to understand about that how anthropology is interrelated with this discipline. So first we are going to discuss about interrelationship between anthropology and sociology. So for the understanding of interrelationship between anthropology and sociology, we have to start about what is anthropology and what is sociology, because we are going to study anthropology. So we know that anthropology is the holistic study of mankind. Holistic study of mankind. And what about sociology? Sociology is the study of society or its social relationship. Sociology is the study of society or its social relationship. So both anthropology and sociology are two important disciplines which belongs from social science, right? So here we try to understand about that, how anthropology and sociology are deeply interrelated with each other. Because in anthropology, basically in social anthropology, we study about society and culture. So anybody who want to study anthropology and sociology, they found that there is deep interrelationship between anthropology and sociology. Because in sociology, we also study about society. In anthropology, we also study about society. And social institution like marriage, family, kinship, these three important social institutions we study in social anthropology and sociology, right? Because in our topic, you can see in our syllabus topic number 2.1, 2, 3 that belongs from social anthropology, and in this topic we study about social institution like marriage, family and kinship. So anybody who try to study sociology, who try to study anthropology, they also study about marriage, family and kinship, right? Second important thing is that in sociology and anthropology, both sociology and anthropology focus to study about economic organization of mankind. When you are going to study sociology, you study about economic organization. Political organization, religion, custom, tradition, law, morals. In anthropology, basically in economic anthropology, we study about economic activity of mankind, right? In political anthropology, we study about political organization of mankind, because in sociology and anthropology, both sociologists and anthropologists are interested to study about social institution like marriage, family, kinship, economic organization, and also interested to study about production, consumption and distribution system. Both anthropologists and sociologists also interested to study about political organization like band, tribe, chiefdom, state, and mechanism for social control in society. So how society doing social control, these are the subject matter of anthropology and sociology, right? You can see your syllabus carefully from topic number 2 to 5, and you found that topic number 2 to 5, you found that those important topic mentioned in our syllabus from topic number 2 to 5, that topic also available in sociology, right? Because when anybody wants to study sociology, they have to learn about society, social institution, social structure, social group, social institution like marriage, family, kinship, economic organization, impact of globalization on indigenous society, political organization, social control, law and justice. Also both study about religion, custom, tradition. So in this respect, both sociology and anthropology are deeply interrelated with each other, right? So first we try to understand their interrelationship between anthropology and sociology on the basis of their subject matter. right? Because both have some common subject matter, and therefore both are interrelated with each other, right? Next, so on the basis of their subject matter, we understand about that both anthropology and sociology are deeply interrelated with each other, right? But both anthropologists and sociologists utilize some common method for the study of their subject matter, right? How anthropologists study their subject matter and how sociologists study their subject matter, which a method or methodology followed by anthropologists and sociologists. So both utilize some common method, means when you try to make interrelationship between anthropology and sociology, at first you write about their subject matter, right? And next method, because anthropologist and sociologist both utilize common method like social survey. They utilize social survey method. They utilize interview, questionnaire, case study. These are the important method and technique which utilized by both anthropologist and sociologist for the study of their subject matter, right? Social survey, interview, questionnaire, case study. Sociologists and anthropologists both are utilized that for data gathering in their study. And third important thing related to interrelationship between anthropology and sociology is that knowledge gathered by anthropologist or sociologist are useful for the solution of some practical problem of mankind. We utilize knowledge and data from anthropology and sociology for the solution of our social problem, right? Because anthropologists study human society and sociologists also study human society. So data gathered by anthropologists and data gathered by sociologists give us insight about some important our social problem. We can better understand about our social problem like poverty, like dowry, like child infanticide, low literacy in our tribal society, our village problem, our urban problem. So these types of problem which is studied by anthropologists and sociologists, and that give us insight about that how can we solve that problem on the light of anthropological and sociological data, right? So both anthropologists and sociologists study human society and give us some important useful data for the solution of our social problem, and therefore anthropology and sociology are deeply interrelated with each other, right? Means when you try to understand about interrelationship between anthropology and sociology, first you have to define what is anthropology, what is sociology. And then you have to write about their interrelationship because both have some common subject matter. And next, because both have some common subject matter, so both anthropologists and sociologists utilize some common method for the study of their subject matter. And lastly, data gathered by anthropologists and sociologists are useful for the solution of practical problem of mankind. So these three important points are give us insight about that how anthropology and sociology are deeply interrelated with each other. Right? But after that, we have to write about that there are deep interrelationship between anthropology and sociology. But about that interrelationship, both disciplines have fundamental differences. Fundamental differences. And UPSC has asked a one-time question about differences between social anthropology and sociology. Right? So always keep in mind about that fundamental differences is important when we try to understand about interrelationship between anthropology and sociology or other discipline. Right? So how anthropology and sociology are fundamentally different with each other, we try to understand about the differences between anthropology and sociology. So at first you write about anthropology and this side you write about sociology. Right? And I already said that anthropology is the holistic study of mankind. It is a holistic study. Means anthropologists interested to a study of human biological evolution, human biological variation, human cultural evolution, development of culture, human ecology, human environment, human geography, human political behavior, human psychology. Each and every dimension of mankind is studied by anthropologists. So anthropology follow holistic approach for the study of mankind. Means it is a holistic science. But sociology mainly focus to a study of society. Anthropologists study whole thing about mankind, while sociologists only give focus to a study of human society. So sociology is a part study, not a holistic study. Right? Because sociologists mainly interested to a study of human society, not their biological aspect, not their cultural development, how culture evolved in human society. That is not a subject matter of sociologists. So first important difference is that anthropology is the holistic study, while sociology is mainly focused to a study of human society. Second important thing is that a scope of anthropology is very wider. How? Because we study each and everything of mankind in anthropology. So their scope is very wider. But the scope of sociology is comparatively narrower. Right? Their scope is very limited. But the scope of anthropology is very wider. Third important thing is that anthropologists interested to a study of human biological evolution and biological variation, while sociologists did not interested to a study of human biological evolution and biological variation. Right? Fourth, anthropologists mainly interested to a study of primitive society. Primitive society mainly, always remember that. Here we write term mainly. Anthropologists mainly interested to a study of primitive society, while sociologists mainly interested to a study of modern complex society or modern industrial society, modern complex society. Because anthropologists mainly interested to a study of band society, tribal society, simple society, and sociologists mainly interested to a study of modern industrial, urban, complex society. Next important thing is that culture is core concept in anthropology. Culture is core concept in anthropology. And anthropologists think that society is product of culture. And anthropologists think that society is product of culture. So on the basis of the study of culture, we can understand society. Means anthropologists try to understand society on the light of culture, because culture is a central concept of anthropology. Right? It is a central concept in anthropology, while sociologists, in sociology, society is core concept, and sociologists think that culture is product of society. Right? Culture is product of society. So on the basis of a study of society, we can understand culture. On the basis of a study of society, we can understand culture. Next, anthropologists utilize participant observation method for the study of their subject matter. Anthropologists mainly utilized participant observation method for the study of their subject matter. So most of anthropologists gather their data by the utilization of participant observation in their research, while sociologists mainly follow social survey method for the study of their subject matter. Right? And lastly, knowledge gathered by anthropologists is applied for the solution of biocultural social problem of mankind. Data and knowledge gathered by anthropologists is utilized for the solution of biological problem like diagnosis of human genetic disease, prevention of human genetic disease, or cure of human genetic disease. It is also utilized for the solution of some cultural problem and also for the solution of social problem. But knowledge and data gathered by sociologists is mainly utilized for the solution of social problem of mankind. So here application of the knowledge of anthropology is very wider, while the application of the knowledge of sociology is narrower, and in that respect you can understand how anthropology is quite different from sociology. Right? So when you try to study about interrelationship between anthropology and sociology, at first we try to write about what is anthropology and what is sociology. After that, these two disciplines are closely interrelated with each other on the basis of their subject matter, their method, and the application of their knowledge and data. And then we discuss about even there are deep interrelationship between anthropology and sociology, but both disciplines have fundamental differences. But you have to write your conclusion. Lastly, we should write our conclusion. So for the writing of conclusion, you can write there are fundamental differences between anthropology and sociology. There are fundamental differences between anthropology and sociology, but in spite of these differences, both anthropologists and sociologists are working together. Both anthropologists and sociologists are working together and sharing their tool technique data with each other, working together and sharing their tool technique data with each other for better understanding of contemporary social problem. So both disciplines are deeply interrelated with each other because both are complementary to each other.